Care Credit does not have any hidden fees or interest or anything like that. They let you know exactly what the interest is going to be. It's not hidden. A lot of these fees are not hidden from us, you guys. We just got to look. When we sign our application, they tell us exactly what our fees are. But with that Care Credit, you guys, they'll let you know whatever your interest rates is going to be. They let you know that, and you guys can pre-qualify for the Care Credit without a hard inquiry. Now let's go ahead and look at the Care Credit, because I have the Care Credit again. It's on my website, Rickita.com. You guys can just search Care, and then you guys will see the Care Credit pop up. With the Care Credit, you guys can pre-qualify for this credit card without a hard inquiry, and you guys can apply for the credit card directly through my website. Now, when it comes down to this credit card and other credit card, they have the credit card agreements that you guys can check out. I'm just going to accept the cookies. I do not like that they want to just be all on my stuff. They want to track, but when it comes down to your agreement, they'll let you know exactly like the fees that they have on their credit cards. Sometimes you guys should be able to see like the different type of fees on their website. Let's see if I can pull it up, the different fees that they have. Okay, so here it is right here. So for new accounts, you guys are going to have the 26.99% with a minimum charge of $2. So that's something that you guys can see. You guys don't have an annual fee, which is something I really, really love, the no annual fee. They have promotional financing. And now I'm thinking about it, a hidden fee that some people don't know. It's not really hidden. It's just that you guys are, you guys just not knowing it like that. Like if you guys do a promotional finance, like if you guys do some type of promotion, say if they say you got 12 months of 0% APR. If you guys do not pay off your balance within that 12 months, then they're going to charge you as if you didn't have that 0% APR. They're going to charge you that 26.99% interest rate. And that's what a lot of credit cards, most credit cards. So I always tell people, if you guys are on a promotion, make sure you pay off that balance in full before that promotion is over, because if not, they're still building up that interest, but they're going to forgive it if you pay it off in full, pay your balance off in full. But if you don't pay it off in full, you guys are going to have to pay whatever that interest is, because it's built up already. And I learned that with my Menards card, because I was like, wait, how am I going to get the 0% APR, the 0% APR on your purchases? And they say, hey, if you don't pay it off in full, this is the amount that we're going to charge you. And a lot of times you can see that on your statement. They'll let you know what that fee is going to be. So I think that can be a hidden fee, but you should know that with all credit cards, you guys. If it's like a 0% APR, if you do not pay it off in full, then yeah, it's going to be a fee that they're